Our extension for Magento makes it easy to set up Sooqr for your Magento store. You can have it finish the process within minutes. Go to System, Configuration, Mag Modules, Sooqr Connect. At the left top of this website, you can find the current configuration scope. By clicking the drop-down, you can select which part of your installation you want to target. General. Set the general settings to connect your store with the Sooqr API. Extension version. Shows the version of the extension. Enabled. Set to yes to activate the extension or to no if you want to disable the extension. API details. Sooqr account ID. Here you add the account ID of your Sooqr account. It will be provided after signing up at signup.sooqr.com. Sooqr API key. Here you add the API key of your Sooqr account. Frontend Settings. Enable. Set to yes if you want to use the front-end Sooqr live on the site. Set to no if you want to disable. Statistics. Set to yes if you want to use the statistics of your Sooqr. Set to no if you want to disable. Advanced Settings. Parent HTML node. Over here, you can specify the template node for the header when this is not automatically recognized or when it's different than the default. Staging environment. Only set this when instructed by Sooqr support. Enable debugging. When enabled, it creates a log that can be used for debugging. Only change this when instructed by Sooqr support. Front-end version. By clicking the drop-down, you can specify which front-end version you want to use. Only change this when instructed by Sooqr support. Custom JS. In this field, you can add your own custom JavaScript. For more info, see support.sooqr.com. Product and CMS data. This section lists all the available attributes for the Sooqr product feed. Some attributes are required for all products, and some are required for certain product types, such as apparel. Others are recommended. To get the best results with Sooqr, at least make sure that you provide the relevant attributes. Product fields. Match these fields with the correct fields in your data feed. For example, ID, product ID. Name, name. SKU, SKU. Description, description. Brand, manufacturer. Images. Image resize options are only available on store level, which can be selected from the scope dropdown on the top left of this page. Source. Just pick the one suitable for you. Extra fields. Add your custom attributes as Sooqr fields. Extra fields. By pressing the Add Fields button, a drop-down will appear where you can select the preferred custom attributes. These will be added to your data feed so you can use them with Sooqr for searching, sorting, filters, and rules. Prices and tax. By default, prices are shown including tax, so only change this option if necessary. Force tax usage. Select the option suitable for your store. Manually add tax. Select the option suitable for your store. Configurable and grouped. Export non-visible simple products of configurable and grouped products. Enable. Set to yes to enable, set to no to disable. Select the option suitable for your store. Filter by category. Enable. Set to yes to enable, set to no to disable. Advanced. Advanced filter. The advanced filters gives you the opportunity to leave out or include certain products based on attributes. Export CMS pages. With Sooqr Connect, you can also export your CMS pages to Sooqr, so this info will be searchable too. Please pick the option you would like to use. Feed generation settings. Each store view will have their own Sooqr feed. You can easily activate or deactivate the Sooqr feed generation on store level or automatically generate the Sooqr feed. In case you're not using the Cron job functionality, it's possible to generate the Sooqr feed manually. Feed generation. Enabled. Set to yes if you want to enable, set to no if you want to disable. File name. Please specify the name for your data feed. For example, Sooqr-datafeed.xml. Limit products. Set limit for testing. Use 0 for all products. Overwrite server settings. Since the process of generating a data feed can be consuming a lot of resources, you're able to use some specific settings in order to get this job done. You can enable this function to overwrite memory settings. Memory limit. Specify the maximum amount of memory in bytes that a script is allowed to allocate. Max execution time. Specify the maximum time in seconds a script is allowed to run before it is terminated by the parser. Cron. Cron enables users to schedule feed generations to run periodically at certain times. You can set the frequency here. Remember, generating the feed can take a while. Just pick the one suitable for you. In general, Sooqr will only pick the feed up once every 24 hours. Generated feeds. In the table below, you can find the generated feeds. Below Store View, you can see the name of the view for the generated feed. Below Feed, you see the URL to the generated data feed. Below Action, you can generate a new feed by clicking the Generate New button or download the data feed by clicking the Download Last button. If you don't have an account with Sooqr Search yet, please go to signup.sooqr.com now and make the magic happen. In case of questions, please see support.sooqr.com or contact support@sooqr.com directly.